All right, so I just picked up the 34-inch expandable ice scraper from Bfonz. I'm gonna answer a couple questions I was seeing. The first one is it foldable? So it is, foldable to apart. All you gotta do is take it apart and it'll be much smaller, so you can put it in any compartment of your car. And then when you wanna use it again, you just gotta snap it back together. Just make sure you got it on the right side, and then go right back together. So you can get it apart together in like 2-3 seconds, so super easy. Second one is, how do you expand it? All you gotta do is twist it and you can pull it up and then it's gonna be expanded for you. And then also on the top of the brush, you can press this button and that'll turn for you. And that way you can brush the snow off or do whatever you need to do to clean your car as easy as possible. Twist it, put it back together, you're good to go. And then another perk of this ice scraper is it actually comes with a replacement scraper. So this is usually the part that breaks for me during the winter. So now with my replacement part, I'm not gonna have to worry about buying another ice scraper. I'm gonna be good to go with this product. So overall, great buy. Snow's coming, I needed it. So I'm ready to use it this winter.